And again, I kind of jump right into the process of configuring membership. Uh, Sorry for the sort of abrupt transition. It's because I originally had filmed a installation video to go along with this, but I decided not to release it. Okay, let's begin by going and viewing the administrative panel for your WordPress site. So again, there is this warning message. We don't need to enable it right yet. In fact, why don't we go to the front of the site first and see if anything has changed. Nothing appears to have changed, but why don't we try on a different browser where we're not logged in. Good. Nothing is showing up as protected yet. You will see that that a few default things have been added. One is the accounts page. There's nothing on here yet. Another is the protected content page, and as a default message saying that this content is available to members only. Sorry, a default page where someone would be directed to in case they are trying to access protected content. And then there's the register page. Here's where we'll eventually add our subscriptions. Right now there's just a default message which is intro into those subscriptions. And then of course there's the sample page that already comes with WordPress. Let's go back into our admin. Okay, let's just quickly review the membership menu here. So we have membership, all members, access level, subscription plans, communications, URL groups, remote pings, payment gateways, and options. Now, you're going to have to do some reading to familiarize yourself with what all of these things are. So basically this video is an unofficial supplement to the official guide that already exists on the dev site. So to find that, you go into usage under the membership project, and there in big bold type is get the full membership manual, download it right here. I do have that open here, and this is very handy, but of course, going through a video sometimes helps more than just reading from a static page. But this is a source for you as well, so please do familiarize yourself with that. One thing I also want to say is, if you were to have enabled this, and why don't we go ahead and do that? If you were to enable that now, okay, go back to our sample page, and this is on a browser where I'm not logged in to the site. Let's refresh that page. You'll see that's protected content. So very, very important. If you are testing this out on a live site, you do not want to enable membership yet, because everyone but you will not be able to access the content on the site. So this is a big warning to you. To disable it, you need to go back down here, click disable. The message will come back up. Just to double check, we'll go over, refresh this page, and it's back to its normal message. There we go. Okay. Before we start the wizard for setting up a membership, there's a couple things I want to just take a look around, and you'll see how they'll change. Okay. So first, let's go to all members. Right now, it's just me. Access levels, there are none there. Subscription plans, none. Communications, For example, the emails that are sent out to registered users. None. All payment gateways inactive. Options. Now this is interesting kind of page that you'll probably be frequenting a lot. Get a little confusing. I think that's one of the big complaints about this plugin is the fact that it can be rather frustrating in the beginning to understand how it works, and even later on understanding how it works. But it's quite a nice plugin, so it's to your advantage to get to understand it more. Here you couldn't even change that yet, so there's no membership level to choose from, and there's no subscription to choose from. But we will be changing that rather shortly. I'm just going to point out that some of these pages have the help text in here to guide you along, so that you don't have to go out to the PDF or to the site to learn more about it. But if you did need to, they have these quick links as well to get you there. Okay? Okay, let's go through the wizard. I'd actually don't want to push dismiss here because I want to use the wizard, so I want to dismiss it up here.